So here's my slime. And my brother has some slime. We made it together. So I'm going to be showing you how he made his. He made his with a special thing because mine is not like squishy and stuff like his. So I'm going to be playing with his too, like, but they're not really attached to each other. So we're gonna have a contest on which one is better. Okay, we're gonna do the arm wrestle, the arm squeeze, the hand squeeze. Yeah, it's the hand squeeze. So whatever one makes a sound, that wins. Okay, that one makes a sound. Both of them win on this one. We're gonna be doing the other one, the pokey pokey, the pokey pokers. Pokey pokers. Pokey pokers. Okay. Okay. We don't know which one is that. So we're going to do. Okay, that made noise. That made noise. They both won. I can't believe it. They both won. Like, just put them on top of another one. Oh, sparkling. Oh. Okay. We're going to be doing the feet. The feet squish, 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 feet squish. So I'm going to be putting my feet on his and see do it make a noise. Okay, it made a noise. It actually did make a noise. Okay, in this one. Tell me what, it's another concept. Okay, that made a loud noise, but both of them won. So we're going to be doing the arm wrestle, like, and poker. Okay, so here's mine and here's his. Okay, so this is mine. I mixed his up with mine, so his is a little bit off. So I'm going to be putting mine in here.